welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes some gossip, this is the channel for you. Guys, I am so confused. Like this thing of Samkelo and Mbali, are we still talking about it even now? And there are a lot of people on Facebook that are suspecting that this thing is still content because they've been comparing to their places. They're in the same place. The blankets are the same. They're using the same mop to mop the floor. Nje, kuningi sana. But then I also remember Dubuti, these people, when they went to buy these things, they went and bought the same things. Like there's a vlog that they did when they were buying things for their apartments. So it's the same things. Like even Amatuvate, it was the same thing. Mobs and stuff. And also the places will still look the same because they are renting in the same complex. Like sometimes I don't know how people think, hey? Like I really don't know. So people are saying, no, these people are just doing this for content. These people want engagement on Facebook. They want to be earning this money. They are doing this because they were supposed to get married this January. So people are just saying it's about content. So now they're doing this to get engagement on Facebook so that they can get paid a lot of money. This is just content. And Sana, this thing is the raining. We've been talking about this like for the longest time. From last year, guys, enough is enough, manje. We need fresh things, you know. So Sana, are people that were suspecting Gucci, these people are still living in the same place. I don't think they are right. Abekho nje right nje. I don't think they are saying what it is. Actually, Sana, it's just the same complex, and they also bought the same things when they were going to shop for their apartments. But nje, I just wish we can just put this to rest. Sana, kuningi sesikhathele phela manje. Sesikhathele. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.